Today I feel like rolling. I feel like relaxing in the gift of the tuck and rolling. You know what knees to chest feels like when you're on your back or child's pose and you're in a little ball. Well, let's see if we can get that up on top of the trainer by leaving some space between the back of our neck, walking our toes in, walking, walking. Bend your knees as much as you need to. I'll bend my knees more to show you, or you could straighten your legs if that works for you. And then lift up those ankles, those heels, press down firmly, and take an in-breath. On your exhale, you can float up into a tuck. If you have your wall back here, you're not going to go all the way over because that's how everybody feels when they first get on the trainer. It feels like I'm going to go way over, and that's terrifying to me. But number one, I might have a wall there, and number two, I can hold on with my hands and use my fingers to let my hips roll back, and I might tuck my chin a little bit here, keeping my heels nice and close into my butt and keeping my thighs nice and close into my chest in a nice little tuck position. And if my head feels comfortable hanging and looking back, I can do that, or I could look at the ceiling. And feel the weight on my shoulder blades, on your shoulder blades. Notice that these elbows are in towards the midline, and you could even bring your knees in between your elbows and squeeze your knees in between your elbows and squeeze your belly as you roll onto the tops of your shoulders and press into your hands. Then slowly release one foot down, the other foot down, and recover with your equilibrium for a moment, especially if you were inverted for a little while. The longer you're inverted, the longer you may need a recovery, so give yourself that time and enjoy that rocking and rolling as many times as you like to the tops of your shoulders and the back of your shoulders, and the top of your shoulders and the back of your shoulders.